Hello everyone, I'm Kennedy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put on eyelashes. It's one of the biggest requests I get, and also what eyelashes do I use. So we're going to start off with bonding glue. You can get bonding glue at any of your local beauty supplies or even Sally's. Just need a little tube, you don't need a lot. And your favorite pair of lashes. Of course, these are my favorites. It's Eye Envy. I mean, Little Mama's on these, but also she's not on this one, so they're my favorites. We are going to put on Q2. We're going to put on these. So as you can see, I've taken the eyelashes off. You can take them off with anything. And then you're going to open your bonding glue, and you can put it on any kind of surface. So you don't need that much. I squeeze too much. But it doesn't matter. It can be on your counter or whatever. I'm going to show you at the end. It's easy clean up, okay? And we're going to do this. Now you're going to you want a round brush end. And you only need a little bit on there. A little bit on there. Okay? So you have your eyelash in your hand like this, the back, okay? So nothing's on it. You can reuse this with bonding glue. You just peel off the bonding glue the next day you want to use it. It's like rubber. It just peels off. So see, I'm just taking a little bit, not a lot. Look at that. Not a lot. Not a lot. Now, if you're looking at the the eyelash, you see this little point? It's littler. So I want the little part on the inside of my eye. So see, we're just gonna set it right on my lash, right above my lash. Now, if you saw earlier, I got a little bit of see how that is? I want it over a little bit, so I moved it before it dries. Just let it sit. Bam. I just like playing with it to make sure it's there. That's why I like using the back of a brush. Once you got it where you want it, then you can start pressing it in. See, once I put that one on, I realized this one was too far over. So I'm going to go back in. This is what's good about this. Just put a little bit back on. There you go. I go in and do my natural lash. And of course your lashes don't have to be this big either. I like bigger lashes. You can like littler ones. But my natural eyelashes are long, so I gotta have longer ones. Done, and you just fix up your eyeliner right above where you're... Bam. What do you think? If this was easy for you, let me know. Leave a comment in the section or whatever. I'm going to show you how to clean this up. How easy it is. And just remember to click subscribe, follow me, and let me know what you think of this video by leaving a comment. Really easy. You can let that dry and it'll get all rubbery, or you can just take a paper towel. There you go. It's gone.